Hello and welcome to a special edition of the Future Work AI News. I'm Chad Barron, and today we're reporting live from the front lines of innovation, armed with algorithms and backed by bandwidth. This Memorial Day, we pause to honor the brave souls who gave everything for our freedom. Their sacrifice fuels the future we get to build. And today, that future is looking smarter, safer, and a whole lot more silicon-based. Let's deploy into this week's breakthrough stories. Strap in, soldier. What happens when the architect of ChatGPT teams up with the mind behind the iPhone? Apparently, your smartphone gets its pink slip. Sam Altman and Jony Ive are creating a screenless AI companion, a sleek, wearable device powered by ambient intelligence. No beeps, no buzz, just quiet, helpful AI that listens, learns, and blends into your life. The prototype, codenamed I.O., skips the screen entirely. It's small, context-aware, and may begin production outside China in the next 2 years. It's like a Star Trek communicator meets iPod Shuffle if it were built in Silicon Valley and trained on GPT-5. Next up, Google just dropped a massive payload at I.O. 2025, introducing the $250 per month AI Ultra subscription tier. This new package gives users exclusive access to Gemini 2.5 Pro, which currently leads the pack in logic, math, and reasoning. You also get AI mode built into search, which now lets you ask longer, more natural questions. Bottom line, Google's going all in on premium AI experiences. It's not just search anymore. It's a whole new operating model for how we ask, learn, and act. Meanwhile, Microsoft's Build 2025 event just introduced what might be the ultimate Office Assistant upgrade. They've rolled out multi-agent orchestration inside Microsoft 365 Copilot. Picture AI agents working together like your own internal task force. HR, IT, marketing, all automated and talking to each other like seasoned pros. T-Mobile and Wells Fargo are already using this tech to cut task times by 90%. Add in Microsoft's new Agent ID systems and data protection layers, and you've got a workforce that runs like a mass unit, fast, smart, and fully coordinated. And now, what if your AI didn't just take instructions, but wrote better ones than you? Google's new agent, AlphaEvolve, uses evolutionary algorithms to invent solutions to complex problems. It's already solved 75% of its assigned challenges, and even made a dent in a 300-year-old math puzzle. That's not just smart, that's Nobel smart. Internally, it's improving chip designs, optimizing GPU performance, and writing code that humans can actually understand. This isn't just the next step in automation, it's self-improving AI, and that changes everything. And now, a rapid-fire rundown of this week's most buzzworthy briefs, Hot Lips Houlihan style. Mark Cuban Foundation is launching free AI boot camps for high schoolers in Indy and Des Moines. Klarna's revenue per employee just hit $1 million thanks to AI-powered customer support. And NVIDIA's CEO says learning to prompt AI is the new must-have skill for career success. Before you chow down this weekend, here are 2 AI tools to spice up your digital rations. Keyword Research, a simple, free keyword planner that shows search volume, trends, and difficulty. No logins required. And Sauna. This tool auto-interviews job candidates and ranks them instantly. It's like having Radar screen resumes for you. And now, a quick word from your local IT field unit, IT Cubed. If your IT feels like triage, we're here to stabilize, optimize, and secure your systems. With enterprise-grade cybersecurity, strategic IT planning, and fast, friendly support, we've got your 6. Learn more at itcube.com and follow us on YouTube, LinkedIn, Facebook, and Instagram. That's a wrap for this week's AI News, MASH style. As we honor those who served, let's also serve the future with smarter tech, stronger businesses, and deeper purpose. From the mess tent to the motherboard, we're here to help you stay sharp, stay supported, and stay ahead. Until next time, stand tall, stay smart, and remember, better IT makes for a happier tomorrow.